Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the end of our first week. Everybody wants to be on camera. It's the end of our first week with Georgia's Hyper Academy. I'm going to tell you all about it in this video right here, so stay tuned. This is why we can't have anything nice. Are you going to let me finish this video? Are you going to let me finish this video? Are you going to let me finish this video? Or you just I guess that's a no. Okay, now that I got the baby to sleep and I got a little bit of peace and quiet, let's talk. You guys already know how the first week went. And if you didn't get to check that out, you can check this video. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, somewhere around here. I give you guys the full rundown of the first day. I did it on the first day, so it was nice and fresh in my mind, and so you guys can check that out. That being said, Monday and Tuesday were amazing. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday-ish, but not really. By the end of Wednesday, things started to get a little shaky. I needed wine and cheese. I actually made myself a full caramel sundae too, with whipped cream and sprinkles Wednesday night, because I had to have it to get me through. I was like, okay, hold on. This is good, but I can see how this is starting to decline. And sure enough, by Thursday, that's when a few problems started setting in yesterday. So there were login issues. My second grader, her teacher, he actually told everyone to log off and give her 30 minutes so she could figure out what the problem was. And then we came back on and she had a new link for us, and then we were able to go through to the test. She logged in at 8 o'clock. She did her same routine. They have a moment of silence every day. And then they also have a YouTube video that they do where they get the wiggles out, which is great because they are first graders. Second grade has neither one of those things. So there's no moment of silence, there's no wiggles. It's good morning, let's get started. And the second graders, they treat them like big kids. And so it's nice too, because my second grader thinks she's so old. So. After 8:20, my first grader logged off and then wasn't told to come back until 2:45 for her test. And that's because we were supposed to have our schedules by now. So anyone who didn't have their schedule just had to log off and just wait until you had homeroom again. And we got an email from GCA saying that we're gonna have it Monday morning. So hopefully they'll have their schedule Monday. Maybe we'll go through a full week of school. That's what we're hoping for. But if they don't, I guess they're gonna be like, yes, summer continues. Bring back summer. In summer. I'm gonna go bring back summer.
Let's go bring back summer!
We also had assignments starting on Wednesday. That's why Wednesday started to go down some for me. The second grader, her assignment was write a sentence about what you are good at and draw it. Perfect little cute assignment, right? Especially if you're just starting out in your school. My first grader, her assignment was write 5 sentences using 10 sight words about what you did this past summer. Fine, okay. But it's like the difference in what the assignment was. Neither assignment is hard, but I was just like, really, the first grader should have what the second grader's having, and the second grader should have what the first grader's having. Even submitting the assignments, my second grader, so just be prepared. It's not gonna be, if you have more than one child, just be prepared. Nothing is gonna be like across the board, just straight, this is what we do all the time. My second grader, for her assignment, it's so easy. The teacher sent a link. I was able to take a picture with my phone and just upload it to that link. That's how she accepts her handwritten submissions. My first grader, her teacher wanted her to write the whole story in her own handwriting, so she's getting used to writing, and then type the story into her. Another thing, GCA is fully online. It's a complete online school, like meaning there are so many different platforms and so many different things that the children are going to have to access to complete their day. They have to go through Canva, they have to go through Infinite Campus, they have to go through Jigsaw, they have to go through Illustrated, they got to go through Clever. It's all of these different links and different portals, and not everything is easily with one click. But you can't even just let your kids fly after the first day. I had to be like, wait, no, it's a different login. And then Wednesday was a different login. And then Thursday we went back to the same login as Monday. And so it's just, it can get a little confusing, but my review of the school and the teachers is very positive. So I'm very happy where we are. We made it through this first week. It has been challenging. It is a lot, and we still don't really have our full schedule, but all in all, it's really good. That's all I got for this week. Now on to the next. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later.